The Volkswagen Beetle has been a popular car for generations. Its iconic shape and classic styling make it a timeless classic. The interior of the Beetle has gone through many changes over the years, from the original air-cooled engine to the modern turbocharged power plant. The interior continued to evolve and improve, offering the driver more comfortable and convenience. Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. We will share with you the news and views about all kind of vehicles and their fancy decorations. The Volkswagen Beetle is a classic car that has been around since the late 1930s. Although the Beetle's exterior has not changed much over the years, its interior has evolved to meet the needs of its drivers. Today's Beetle interiors offer a range of features from comfort and convenience to luxury and performance. Here's a look at the features you can find in today's Volkswagen Beetle interior. The interior of the Beetle is designed to be both functional and stylish. The dashboard is well laid out with all the necessary gauges and controls within easy reach. The seats are comfortable and sportive, and the interior is easy to keep clean. The interior material are of high quality with leather and vinyl options available. The interior is also very customizable with many different options available for upholstery, trim, and accessories. Comfort and convenience. Today's Beetle offer a range of comfort and convenience features to make driving more enjoyable. Drivers can enjoy standard airbags, ABS brakes, electronic stability control, heated front seats, power windows, power steering, power locks, and a rear view camera. The Beetle also offers a number of driver assistant technologies such as blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. Luxury and performance. The Beetle also offers a range of luxury and performance features to enhance the driving experience. This includes leather upholstery, an 8-speaker audio system, and a panoramic sunroof. The Beetle also offers a range of performance features such as a turbocharged engine and sports mode. Interior lighting. One of the most interesting features of the Beetle is the interior lighting system. The Beetle has a unique lighting system that can be adjusted to create a variety of modes and atmospheres. The interior also has mode lighting, which can be adjusted to create a soft ambient glow. Technology. The Beetle also offers a range of technology features to keep driver connected and entertained. This includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth, and Volkswagen's CarNet system. This CarNet system offers features such as remote start, vehicle's location, and roadside assistance. Volkswagen Beetle interior has come a long way over the years, from comfort and convenience features to luxury and performance features. The Beetle offers a range of features to enhance the driving experience. Whether you are looking for a classic car with a modern twist or modern car with a classic feel, the Volkswagen Beetle is a great choice. The Volkswagen Beetle is a classic car that has been around for generations and is still going strong. The interior has gone through many changes over the years, but it still retains the classic style and functionality that make it so popular. The Beetle is a car that can be enjoyed by both young and old alike, and its interior will continue to evolve and improve as technology advances. Thanks for watching our channel. Hope you enjoy your time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe our channel for more information about vehicles.